video. We are back in the 350Z with one seat. I still gotta put the other seat in. A lot to do, but today is a 350Z video finally. And hopefully we're able to do the most important thing on this car today, is replace the starter. You guys see how annoying it is to start this car every morning? Well, whenever I drive it. It's like the biggest reason why I don't drive this car is because I can't start it on my own, bro. Luckily, I park it in the garage so I can like pop the clutch and kickstart it rolling down the driveway. But if I'm by myself and I stall somewhere, I'm screwed, bro. And we gotta fix that exhaust leak, bro. It sounds so bad. This might be the worst exhaust leak I've ever heard in my entire life, bro. The car doesn't even sound like a Z. It sounds like a Honda. No offense to the Honda owners, though. It does not sound like a Z, bro. It does not sound good for a Z. Anyways, like I said, we're back in the Z, and we might be replacing the starter today. We're gonna head to the homie Rick's shop. We're gonna hopefully order a starter and hopefully install it today as well. So if we get the starter in this car, then we can finally start daily driving this, and I can drive it anywhere I want. And then I put the plates on so we don't get pulled over, but I feel like even if a cop gets behind us, I feel like we're gonna get pulled over regardless, bro. Also, with no seatbelts on yet, because I still gotta put that on. Oh my God, there was a cop right there, bro. We're not even up the block yet. We gotta fix this shit still. He's gonna break any second. Look how bad it sounds. Sounds so bad, bro. A lot of people were telling me don't drift it because it's a little too nice, but guys, it's still not the nicest. It's nice, but it's not like nice where I'm scared to drift. I think I'll be good. Mainly just want it for like street drifting, messing around, making little Instagram content and YouTube content. Maybe take it to the track. I don't know, we'll see. All right, guys, this is the next day. I didn't film yesterday because we had to end up leaving it here, but the homie Rick said the starter's in, bro. And he said it starts finally. Sheesh, actually looks so clean. Imagine it fell. Damn. How?
The bolts, I just found whatever ones.
Oh my, bro, these bolts literally weren't even there, huh?
Yeah.
So hopefully that fixes it. I don't know. This might have, look at how much we scraped it, bro.
Yeah.
That's probably where there's an exhaust
leak.
leak.
This is only just so we could flex a little bit.
There was a fat exhaust leak if you guys remember, but it's because we looked under it. Yeah, these bolts weren't even here. Like, they're literally gone, bro. So this shit was all disconnected. So maybe this will help fix the exhaust leak.
Oh yeah, that's
But if not, it sounds better?
Yeah. And then sway rolling. It was like this, dude.
No way, bro. So what do we do with that? It's supposed to be like this, right?
Yeah.
Look, guys, we got a new one. Brand new. It's done, bro. We even put more little support so the bumper should fit better. Hopefully. Where the hell are we at, Hugo?
I'll find some TVs right here for the low.
Imagine you found a pair of TVs here. They're just hidden. Alright, guys, we made it to a junkyard, bro. The reason why, because we're looking for parts for my junky ass 350Z.
Look, some coilovers.
There's one 350Z here, and we gotta find it, guys. I don't know how to find it here, but it's my first time here. But there's a 350, I think.
Why are we here? Why are you looking for 350 parts?
Because if you guys have seen the last clip I filmed, we picked up the car from Rick's shop. The starter works, the car starts, but now
The whole car's to shit. Now we need to find the motor.
shit just keeps breaking. The hood latch does not latch my hood closed anymore, so I can't even drive the car. Thought of a bright idea. I was like, why don't we just go to the junkyard up the street and see if we can just take one off a Z and then throw it on the car, and then the hood should close, and then we can film some more content today. E46?
A new project car right here?
Low key, huh? It should be right here in this row. Bro, it's a red Z too. Another one. Bro, there's a lot of BMWs at junkyards. That's why Sam loves this place, dude. You can get so much shit.
Like your rear mirror, that was actually clean.
I know, you actually get a lot of
The
stuff
whole
off
dash.
cars. The whole dash, literally, yeah, if you really wanted a nice dash.
Got shot at.
There's bullet holes? Oh, we found it. No, it's gone, bro. No way someone took the latch, bro. There's no way. Oh my God, look how sketchy. Look what it's on.
No way it's on there, bro.
At least my Z doesn't look this bad, bro.
Oh, but the wheels are welded on.
Bro, they really took the freaking latch, guys. So this is the latch that we need, and it's gone. I guess someone else has the same issue as me. What else can we get? Damn, they took everything from the Z.
Look, bro, this is not that bad.
Damn.
This would tape it up with carbon fiber, bro. It's actually really good. It's not.
Look at this car, guys.
It's actually really.
It's not bad, huh? Oh, no way that the freaking latch is gone. That means we're gonna have to wait for the one that I ordered.
There's no other Z?
No other Z, bro. But I saw Hugo. You think people have died in these cars? Like, some of these cars look like they've flipped. Look at this shit. Oh my god, that was for sure a bad accident. Like, what if there's like blood, bro? Interior's pretty nice. Oh no, that's not real.
That's a real M3.
Hell no.
It looks like the badge like on my car.
Nope. Look at this shit.
Hold on.
Hugo's trying to take it off this thing, guys. What is that? Nissan Maxima? I don't even know what this is, bro. It looks like the same one that's in my Z, but... Oh, yeah. See, that's moving. No way we actually got it. Off of a...
Nissan Sentra, bro.
Altima Sentra? I don't know what it was.
Nissan Sentra, bro. You just named two different cars. If this fits, bro...
I don't know if it's going to. But we could try. It's not going to, bro. There's no way.
I told you.
Bro, I got a Nissan Altima.
Sentra.
Two of them?
Not even the Altima. Altima's too good.
And Altima.
You got a Nissan Sentra.
Hopefully this works. I'm not gonna lie.
Go, 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 go. ¡Cállate! ¿Qué me da un elote con todo? You make it rain right now. Sí. She looks...
Bomb, bro.
She looks crazy right now, brothers. Yeah, you don't want him to run away. He's so cute. Real life Nissan Sentra.
Dude, you guys should have seen what we were doing. I should have had a GoPro set up, but me and Hugo both put our weight on the hood to close it. That's what we had to do.
We're not sure what's going on.
I think
something under the hood is not fitting correctly.
Yeah, something's rubbing, so it's like it's not letting the hood close all the way.
They didn't have that problem.
So we're forcing it closed. So I don't know. I don't know what it is, but we definitely gotta figure it out. But it's closed.
And our day's all gone.
And the day's gone. Look.
We literally wasted the whole day closing the hood.
We wanted to race my Z versus Hugo's E92.
So that means tomorrow we have a lot of content to do.
We do.
The hood is closed. We're not gonna open it.
We're gonna race this versus David's car for a video, and then we'll do this versus the E92 and see what they hold up against the Z. But look, guys, I didn't even show you. It starts. Damn! Finally, bro. That was the first time we've ever heard this car crank. If you guys remember, we had to push start this car every time, and it's horrible. But it's on, and we kind of fixed the exhaust leak. It sounds a little better, but you can still tell a little exhaust leak. Bro, you guys are driving on the floor, sitting on the floor. But what if we get pulled over like this? Guys, what is this? Did you guys see this too? Wherever you guys live? It's so bright in the sky, bro. Like, it's literally lighting up. Like, what is that, bro?
Aliens.
And that's gonna end today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Hopefully the video wasn't too boring. We didn't do much, but we did end up fixing the Z. So the Z's all done. It can drive now. It runs. It has a starter. It starts. Guys, I went for a drive already, drove it around, and it drives perfect. So stay tuned because there's gonna be a ton of new 350Z content coming up. Tomorrow we're racing Hugo's E92 versus this 350Z. So stay tuned for tomorrow's video. Smash the subscribe button, smash the like button if you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have not already, go cop the new merch. We did a new merch shop with the 350Z color reveal. We got 2 t-shirts and 1 hoodie with the red 350Z on it, and it looks so freaking sick. I love the merch. If you guys already did cop it, thank you guys so much. I appreciate it. It means a lot. And if you guys do want to cop the merch, it's the first link down below, shop FindingNick.com. If you guys want to support me, support the channel, and support the car builds, I appreciate it so much. And yeah, stay tuned for the next video with the 350Z, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.